Welcome to my hotel tour of the Tempo by Hilton in Times Square, New York. Now let's go and check out my room. So let's start off with the bedroom. So you walk in to this lovely king size bed, lovely large TV on there, which says welcome Aisha. Loads of beautiful images of New York. But the best thing about this hotel is the view. Now we're on the 42nd floor and this hotel has 46 floors altogether, located right in the city centre of New York. So you've literally got Times Square right down there. So we've got 2 bathrooms. So this is the first one, the ensuite. And one thing I love about this mirror is the lighting. It's Bluetooth connected as well, so you can connect your phone to it when you're getting ready. Hand wash, body lotion. And then here we have a lovely rainfall shower, all gold design. And if we carry on through, we've got a little space here to store your luggage and hang up a few items. Mini fridge and coffee machine as well with capsules. And then you've got the main bathroom. Again, lovely mirror with the Bluetooth connection, gold taps. And you've got this walk-in shower. And then we come through to here, the living room. Look at this to relax in. And look at that view. How crazy is that? You can actually open the window a little bit and hear the sounds of New York. Now one thing I love about this hotel is the different types of lighting. So you can have living room lighting, you can have work mode, you can have relax mode as well, which dims the light. But honestly, my favourite thing is the view. Look at this. So the drapes will open. Imagine waking up in the morning to this. And look right down there, Times Square. This is the Highball restaurant and bar at the Tempo Hotel here. You get $10 resort credit per room per day to use in the bar. So I'm just going to get myself a morning coffee. This hotel features a fully working gym. There's loads of equipment. Look how many equipments there is. I hope you guys enjoyed the hotel tour of the Tempo by the Hilton here in Times Square, New York City. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I can thoroughly recommend this hotel. The hotel is the perfect location. The rooms were superb. The bed was so comfy. I slept so great here, like sleeping on a cloud. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments box below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.